And special thanks to our friends at SYNCWIRE who were nice enough to send us their magnetic ring. Essentially, this feature is designed to give your phone a magnetic ring if it doesn't have one. Let's open it up and take a look at it. And what you get here is nothing else in there. Everything you need to make your non-magnetic phone a magnetic phone. So a little instruction guide. This is for placement, so you're able to measure this and put it on your phone where it's in the right position. And then these are the 3 SYNCWIRE rings. They give you a white one, which is pretty nice. 2 black ones. They just say designed by SYNCWIRE on them right there, and a little SYNCWIRE logo there. And then there is some like double-sided tape here on the back. But you'd be able to put this on your phone to give it MagSafe features. For example, if you're trying to use a phone mount that's MagSafe, but your phone is an Android phone or an older iPhone, you could buy one of these, affix it to the back of your phone, and you'd be able to use that MagSafe device. Thanks again to SYNCWIRE, who was nice enough to send me their magnetic rings to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.